What if I told you that you can study in Europe without paying thousands of euros in tuition? What if I told you again that there is a university in Lithuania that is literally giving international students full tuition scholarships for 2026? Yes. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can apply for a full scholarship at the Kaunas University of Technology, one of the top universities in Lithuania. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll be showing you who can apply, the deadlines, which is very important, how the scholarship works so you don't miss out on important information, and also how you can increase your chances of getting selected because again, it is a competitive one. Now, this video might be a game changer for you. All right. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is a channel where I share real scholarship opportunities, study abroad guides, visa tips, and legit opportunities to leave Africa and study in Europe. So if that sounds like something you need, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any opportunities. All right, let's get right into the video. I'm going to be talking about the school. Kaunas University of Technology, which is also known as KTU in short, is one of the top ranked universities in Lithuania. You can make your research. It is a leading research university in Europe, and this school was established in 1922, has a built-in strong reputation in engineering, computer science, artificial intelligence, business, architecture, environmental science, biotechnology, data science, renewable energy. Now, for those in the STEM program, this is a very good school for you. Now, KTU offers English taught programs, which means you do not need to speak Lithuanian. It means you can study fully in English. Now, the university has modern laboratories, international students from over 100 countries. They have strong industry connection. They have high graduate employability, and this school graduates. So if you graduate from the school, you can work in Google, IBM, European tech companies, research institutes. So you are not just getting a degree, rather, you're getting a recognized European qualification. Okay, enough of that. Let's get into the real deal. What does this scholarship cover? Now, this school offers you a merit-based scholarship. So if you're an international student, every year you get a merit-based scholarship, and this scholarship can cover a full tuition fee or partial tuition fee, which means, for example, if your program costs 3,000 euro or 4,000 or even 5,000 euro per year, and you get a full scholarship, you pay zero tuition. So the only thing you will be paying as an international student will be your accommodation, feeding, transport, and your health insurance. Basically, your cost of living, you would handle that. And trust me, guys, when I say Lithuania is one of the cheapest European countries to live in. So this is a very affordable study destination. Okay. Now, this is an important information I want to call out here. Okay. This part is very important. This school charges you an application fee of 100 euros. This is not your tuition, and it doesn't mean that it affects your scholarship. Now, this 100 euro simply means they would process your document, review your application, evaluate you for admission and scholarship. Okay, so now the scholarship is automatic. There is no separate application for the scholarship. Once you've applied for admission, the scholarship is automatically considered from your application. So you pay 100 euros per program. Now the fee is non-refundable. You only pay this after you've uploaded your documents on the migration portal, on the school portal rather. So you don't need to pay tuition during application. Okay, tuition payment comes only after you are admitted and if or when the scholarship result is out. So please don't confuse this fee with tuition fee. Okay, you're not paying any tuition until after the scholarship result is out. Now, how do you know if you can apply for this one? This scholarship is open to you if you are an international student from Africa, Asia, Europe, and everyone, you can apply. So if you are a bachelor's degree holder applying for master's, if you are a high school graduate applying for bachelor's, please note that you must have good academic results. Remember, I mentioned that this scholarship doesn't require you to apply separately. So everything will be judged from your academic grades. Okay, so make sure you have your English proficiency, IELTS or TOEFL or any accepted English test. Check from the website. Now, a motivation letter is very needed. You must explain why you chose KTU, explain your goals, explain again why you deserve the scholarship. Complete your documentations. Please make sure everything is well complete. No age, there's no age limit, there is no country restriction here. Everybody can apply. Okay, let's talk about the deadlines. Very important. Now, for the 2026 intake, the final deadline is the 1st of June 2026, and this deadline covers the admission, the scholarship consideration as well. Now, for the scholarship results, it is announced usually around mid-July 2026. So please don't wait until May. Don't rush. Apply early. And this is why you have the video coming your way. So if you're seeing this video, thank goodness, please apply. Up next, I'm going to show you how to apply. Okay, on my screen. Okay, you go to the official portal and then you see where it says apply.ktu.edu. Now, next step would be creating an account using a working email, your email address, and then choose your program carefully. I believe you already know what program you want to go study. Then upload your documents, all of your documents clearly, your academic transcript, certificate, the academic CV, motivational letter, and your English test, and whatever documents you need again. Then after that, you pay the €100 application fee, which is the fifth step. Then step 6 would be submitting your application. And after that, the school evaluates your scholarship. They review your documents. Okay. And finally, you get a decision for the scholarship results and the admission letter. Now, let me be honest with you guys. Not everyone gets a full scholarship. Okay. So this is just for you to be open-minded. Now, some people get 25% tuition waiver, some get 50% tuition waiver, some get 75% tuition waiver, but even partial scholarship can save you thousands of euros. So don't get discouraged. Don't overthink. Apply if you have the funds. I believe if you want to study abroad, at least you should be able to have the application fee. Okay. Now, how do you boost your chances of getting this? To increase the chances, please apply early. Get a very good, strong motivation letter. If you're not sure of your motivation letter, you can ask people of higher educational status to help you review and see if it is good, if it stands out, and also your academic CV as well. Okay, remember that you are competing globally, so your application must stand out. Okay, so if you know that it's going to be tough for you to get the €100, make sure you put in your efforts if you're going to be paying the €100 for this application, and make sure you're doing it with the mindset that you're going to get the scholarship. But again, please, I'm rooting for you all. But again, don't give up. If you don't get the scholarship, it doesn't mean life ends there. There are more opportunities to come that I'll be sharing on this video. I know most of you want me to post scholarships with no application fee. Don't worry, just stay tuned on the channel and subscribe. I'm going to be making more videos. Schools are opening up now fastly. So what you have to do is stay tuned. Make sure you comment. Let me know what videos you want to see. And once I have them updated, I'm going to post them here for you to watch. Okay, so please don't waste time. Apply to as many as you can if you do have the funds for application fee. Okay, they say good things don't come easy. I believe with good efforts and proper and early applications, there should be success. So guys, that will be all for today. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. The link to the website is already in the description box. Make sure to do your due diligence and research properly. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure to share the video, like, and that will be all once again for today. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.